to see hands. How many people have an Apple device? Don't be shy.
Shame.
Why do you continue year after year? Every time they invent, you go and line up and get an Apple device. And I bet you most of you don't even know how to use all the functions. But the reason is because they're attracting the inner you. They're inspiring you to think differently, to want something different. So as a business, it is important that you find the definitive factor. Tell people why you do what you do. Let me start first by telling you why I do what I do. My name is Gloria, and I'm the CEO and founder of a company called People of Valor. We are in the business of innovative product branding. I'll show you just a couple of brands that we've worked with and the products that we've created for them. At People of Valor, what we do is we will consult with a small business, sit down and find out what is it that makes your market tick. We want to find out how we can expand your market instead of you going the traditional route of your t-shirt and cap, because people don't appreciate that. After 2 months, they throw the t-shirts away, or your mother uses it to wash the windows. So I just want to show you the products because I only have 3 minutes. What you see around my neck is a product that we've created for Altitude Connection, and they've launched their legacy jewelry range. Their logo is an eagle, so we take the logo and we build a product for you. What you see underneath is another product that we've built for the More Fire brand, DJ Spoo's energy drink. It is not just the neck piece, it is also an 8 gig memory card. You can also use it as a key holder. How many of you would believe me if I say there is a cooler box and a bright pack, or rather a bright stand in this bag? If you don't believe me, please come see me, I'll show you. I don't have time right now. Other things that we've innovated, we have created a watch for the Crown Gospel Awards. You will see that inside of the watch, it is their logo. We've also created a cell phone pouch for the Christian market. The message is, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. The last product, I believe, if I still have time, or rather, let me go with this one first. This is a product that we have created for the Tears Foundation. Okay. Anyway, I guess some of you can see that this is actually an eye that has a teardrop. So we align ourselves with your strategy, your corporate identity. We find out what makes your market tick, and we build according to that. The last one, we're trying to get these in gyms. If you love running or jogging, or if you know somebody that has a gym or a personal trainer, please come talk to us. These are wireless headsets for people in sports. It takes an 8 gig memory card. It plays FM and radio. Please check us out on Facebook, capital letter POV. On Twitter, capital letter POV. You can like our page, or you can send me a Facebook request, Gloria Nkosi. Thank you.